it was a pleasure attending the digital storytelling workshop, since we just did not learn the art of digital storytelling but also made some amazing friends over translations and editing skills.
Thank you, One Story at a Time project, for this exposure. Being a youth facilitator, I've enhanced my video editing skills, and I would like to take it forward to the place where I work, that is Way Foundation.
We see so much in media about graphic, brutal cases of gender-based violence. And we see not as much about the day-to-day brutalities and occurrences that really contribute to gender-based violence.
We funded this digital storytelling project, bringing everybody together to talk about their own stories of gender inequality, their own stories of violence and what they have seen and experienced in a way that will be able to bridge some of these gaps and start to create more conversations in both online and offline communities.
Coming here and listening to the stories of so many women and men from different parts of India, as well as my Bangladeshi comrades, it's been so eye-opening and inspirational about how these people deal with gender violence every day. Gender violence is out there and it needs to stop.